To make pizza, first we will collect some tomatoes. Let's go home and first make the sauce for the pizza.
For this, we will wash the tomatoes well. Now we will boil some tomatoes, an onion, and 2 bay leaves in hot water for some time. And in the meantime, we will make a dough for the pizza. First, we will take some flour. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Then a little yeast and salt to taste. Now we will mix the flour with all the ingredients
with a little oil and enough warm water. Then we will cover it with a white cloth and leave it to rest for some time. In the meantime, our tomatoes have been boiled. Now let's blend all the ingredients nicely in a blender. After blending, we will strain the tomatoes well so that there are no tomato seeds and skins. After blending, we will put them in a pan and strain them for some time. In it, I added a little sugar, dry chili powder, and salt to taste. Now I will mix all the ingredients well and cover it with a lid and cook for some time. Let's prepare the other ingredients to decorate the pizza. Here I have cut 2 tomatoes into round slices. And in the meantime, our sauce is ready. Now I will pour it into a bowl and let it cool slightly. Now I will roll out the bread for the pizza a little thickly. At the end of the bread, I will make a few holes on the bread with the help of a slotted spoon.
Then I will take some sauce from the prepared tomato sauce and spread it all over the bread nicely. Now I will spread some cheese from the top. Then I will add the sliced out tomato pieces. Now I will add a few capsicum pieces. Then I will spread some more cheese on top with chopped black olives. Now I will add some salt in a pan
And place a stand on it and cover the pizza for 20 to 25 minutes.
Finally, our tempting pizza is ready! Now it's time to test it! It's very delicious! If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned!